there, it's Ashley from WTI. The newest addition to our LEGO collection is this Mandalorian Starfighter, and it also has Yoda on the back. LEGO has made a ton of fun and unique projects. This one my son really loves. It was easy to put together, and there are a lot of really cool features on this, including these micro shooters on the back. And these shooters go pretty far. As usual, it was easy to put together with the instructions. This is for 6 years and older. It has a total of 88 pieces, and it comes with the two guys here, Yoda and the fighter. And I would highly recommend this one. Star Wars has become a huge phenomenon, and being able to have this fighter ship to play with has been really fun. My son loves it. These move on the side, and it has a compartment that the fighter sits in right at the top, and also a place for Yoda to sit. So if you're thinking about getting this for your kids or for yourself, then I would highly recommend, but that's just my point of view.